Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to fix a notification not appearing in a Google Drive on Android on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, if you want to fix it, the problem when your notifications from Google Drive not appearing, here you just have to make sure that notifications option on your Google Drive is active or enabled, guys. Here you just have to go to your settings, and after just scroll it down until we found out here the apps options, and after scroll it down again, go ahead to this drive options, and now tap on these notifications, and you just have to make sure the toggle beside the alert notifications is enabled like this, it's turned green. And after, if it is still not appearing the notifications from Google Drive, you just have to make sure that your Google Drive application is use the up-to-date application. Yeah guys, you just have to check on this app store, and after just search for your Google Drive. Here I'm gonna search it first, and we'll see here the option which is update options. You just have to update it first to appearing the notifications for Google Drive. And if it is still not working, you can check for your storage on Google Drive. You guys tap on this three slice icon, and here you can see for the storage. If it is full, you just have to clear it first for the files from your Google Drive, or you can get more change here. Tap on it, and you can select the payment that you want to use for your Google Drive change, you guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video tutorial how to fix notifications not appearing in Google Drive on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.